Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today, inshallah Azza wa Jal, we'll be learning Kalimah Shahadat, which is the second Kalimah. So, let's get started. Read word by word with me. Ashhadu, Ashhadu, Allah, Allah, ilaha, ilaha, illallahu. Make sure to read the letter Lam in a heavy sound. Illallahu. The second Lam, which is the Lam of Allah. Illallahu wahdahu. Make sure to read the letter ha in a sharp sound. Wahdahu la sharika lahu. You need to stretch the letter lam for a second. The letter ra because it's yamadda here, and the letter ha because it's having a inverted pace on the top. La sharika lahu wa ashhadu وأشهد أن. You can see we are doing ghunna here, means taking the sound into our nose. So press it. أن Muhammadan. Similarly, in the mim mushaddad, we'll be doing ghunna here. Muhammadan abduhu. That sound will bounce back on the letter ba because it's a qalqala letter. Abduhu wa rasuluh. Warasuluh. At the end there will be a ha sound. Warasuluh. Ha will become sakin here. Let's back to the translation now. I testify that there is none worthy of worship except Allah. He is alone and he has no partner. And I testify that Muhammad is his distinguished servant and his prophet. So make sure to read it really well, word by word. Catch you in the next video.